Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you are highly and most welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a great remedy that will help you to increase your butt, your backside. Okay, this is actually also going to help you to gain weight at the right places. Okay, so if you do enjoy watching the video, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you want to see all of the ingredients, stay put, subscribe and share. And now let me walk you through. Okay guys, so to get a bigger butt, you are gonna be needing to use carrots. Yeah, and carrots is a great remedy guys. It works wonders in freshen up your skin, and using it with other ingredients will work well, okay, in giving you that bigger butt at that area. So watch till the end to see other ingredients that I'm going to be using, which is also very important. That's if you need a bigger backside. Yup. Okay, so the first thing you do is to take a good quantity or amount of the carrots, and then I will be washing it. Then I have to be okay, so we're going to be blending this. So you're going to be adding a little water because garlic does not have too much of juice that much. Okay, so you add up water. So we're going to be getting the plates, and then you're going to be turning this into a plate. And this is it guys. So I'm actually going to be telling you how you're going to be using this. Okay, so you watch the video till the end so we can know how we're going to be using it. And this is what we're also going to be needing: coconut. Yep, so we're going to be needing fresh coconut. So you can go to the market and get a coconut. You buy a coconut and then break it and use the coconut itself. So we're going to be blending the coconuts. So we're going to be adding water to it. So this is the coconut. My smaller blender couldn't blend the coconut, so I would have to be sieving it. Okay, So you don't need to put plus the shaft, you will have to sieve in just the coconut milk. So here we have the carrots plus the coconut milk. Yeah. So another ingredient we're going to be making use of, we're going to be needing, which is actually very important, is yogurt. So we're gonna be needing yogurt. So you're gonna be scooping in a good amount of yogurt. I'm basically gonna be putting all of this yogurt. A good amount of yogurt is what you're gonna be needing, guys. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing is avocado. So I'm going to be peeling this up, or rather just cutting it. Have to be scooping it out into this bowl. So now I'll have to blend in it. So it's actually properly blended, and oopsie. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to be scooping that into all of this goodness. So I'll put everything . And now I would have to mix it up together. Okay, so the last ingredient, which is egg, and for this is optional. You can decide to put in egg or you may not. Yeah. Okay, so this is the one I scooped out. Yep. And this particular one, you can put in egg in it. Yeah. Okay, so I'm actually going to be testing the two and know how it is. Now if you are an egg person, if you can actually take raw egg, then you can actually take this particular one. But if you cannot take raw egg, then you can go with this. Okay, so it's either you take this or you take this one. Yeah, so you gain weight at the right places. If you can make this smoothie and take it every day, trust me guys, you're going to not only gain weight, but you're going to gain an healthy kind of weight. Yeah, you're not going to gain weight to your belly and stuff and arms and all of that. You're going to gain a very good kind of weight. Okay, so I'm actually going to be taking this one and I'm going to be giving this one to my sister, which actually can take raw egg, because I personally cannot take raw egg. Okay, but if you can, it is actually very perfect. And this is it. So that's it guys. It is really delicious. Like, I am really loving it. But if you're a fan of raw egg, you can, you know, enjoy it all along. Repeating this is going to help so much, yeah, to achieve your goal. Okay, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to hit a like, subscribe and share, and I will see you again. And stay beautiful, and bye guys. Mwah.